Good morning, students. Today we will solve the problem on projection of circular lamina of 50 diameter, which is standing with one of its points on the rim on HP. Rim on HP means standing a point on the circumference of the circle. Any point on the circle. Let us take this point A. It is resting on the point A. So we'll draw the top view of the circular lamina in true shape such that point A comes to your left side, point A. So draw a circle of diameter 50 and divide this into 8 equal parts and name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is the true shape. This is the front view or top view. The front view of the circular lamina will be a straight line like this. This will be the front view of the a straight line will be the front view of the lamina. When the surface of the lamina is inclined at 45 degree, it has to be tilted like this at an angle of 45 degree. When you project it down, it becomes a ellipse. It becomes a ellipse. This is the apparent shape of the circle when the surface is inclined at an angle of 45 degree. Now, third question is the diagonal at right angles to the diagonal which is passing through the point A. A E is one diagonal. Another diagonal perpendicular to this is GC. G and C. This GC should be parallel here. See here. This GC should be parallel to the XY line. That's what given in the data. So redraw the second ellipse such that GC is parallel to the XY line and point A touches the XY line. We have to redraw this. Okay. We'll solve this on the solid now. Draw a circle of 50 diameter and divide this into 8 equal parts. Select the line command. Select the line thickness as 0.13. Draw a thin line. Draw a thin line. Go to text command. Select size 2 or 1.25. Name it as this is X. This is Y. This is VP. This is HP. Then draw a circle of diameter. Go to circle command. Select circle by center point. Select the line thickness 0.5 and draw a circle of 50 diameter. Here is asking for the diameter. Type 50. Enter. Okay. We have drawn a circle of diameter 50 Now let us zoom this. Okay, this is the circle of diameter 50 Now go to smart dimension. You can show the diameter as 50 Then go to line command. Take a chain line 0.13 thickness. Draw the center line. See, scroll the cursor on the circumference of the circle. You will get this point. Means the cursor is on the top end of the circumference. Click there. Draw a line passing to the center. One center line. Similarly, draw another center line. Scroll the cursor on the circumference. You will get this symbol. So cursor is on the outer end of the circumference. Click there and draw another center line. Now divide the circle into 8 equal parts. Divide the circle into 8 equal parts. For that, what we'll do, take a line and let us take a continuous line from the center. Draw a line of any length. So length is asking. I'll take press tab key. It will go to the angle now. It is asking for the angle. Angle I'll type 45 degree. Enter. Similarly, draw one more line this side. Length I'll press tab key. It will go to the angle. I'll type 90 plus 45, that is 135 degree. Two lines you have to draw. Then go to trim command. Select this and trim up the extra line. Then again, click on the triangle adjacent to the trim command. There is one more command called extend to next. Select this extend to next and scroll the cursor on this line. See, when I started scrolling the cursor on this 135-degree line, it will extend to the other end of the circle. Can you see this? It is extending. So now I divided the circle into 8 equal parts. Now name it. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay. Now after that, go to line command, draw the projection. This is one line. This is another line. So draw the projection like this from all the points. Okay. Then go to line thickness, change it to 0.5 mm. Draw 4 lines. This is first line, second line, third line, and fourth line. Don't draw a single line. There's advantage if we draw a 4 lines. You can draw single line also, but there is some advantage. That's why I'm doing like this. The next step, you'll understand what is the advantage of drawing the 4 lines instead of a single line. Okay. Now name it. This is A dash. This is B dash, H dash, C dash, D dash, C dash, G dash, D dash, F dash, and E dash. Naming is over. Now what I have to do? Our question is, we have to tilt this circle by an angle of 45 degree in the VP. So HP, it appears on VP. So go to select this command, select this line, go to select command, select this entire line, including the naming, then go to move command, click on the move, click on the copy, make the copy on here by clicking on this, then move the line from this endpoint. Can you see the endpoint symbol there? Scroll the cursor to the left, you will reach the endpoint of that line, then click, move the line and keep it on the XY line, come out and right click. Now again go to rotate command here, click on the rotate command, switch off the copy. We now copy is not required. I am switching off the copy. Again, read here, click for the center of rotation. This should be the center of rotation. Again, it is asking for the point to rotate from. This should be the point to rotate. This another end of the line should be the point to rotate from. Rotate at an angle of 45 degree. Data given is 45 degree and position angle is also 45 degree entire. Okay. Now this is done. Now we have rotated the line at an angle of 45 degree. Surface is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to HP. This is the second position. Now go to again line command, 0.13 thickness. Scroll the cursor on this line, you will get endpoint symbol. From there, draw a line, vertical line. Again, scroll the cursor, you will get one more endpoint. So we are getting 4 endpoints because we have done 4 lines, 4 different lines. That's the advantage. In the first position, we draw 4 different lines. That's why you are getting the endpoint symbol. That's why I told you to write 4 lines instead of a single line. That's the advantage of writing the 4 lines. Midpoint symbol. Scroll the line up to here. Similarly, another endpoint. From here, draw a line up to here. Vertical lines should be always vertical lines. Then again scroll from here. This is D and F. This is D and F. And from E dash also draw one more line up to here. Actually, this line is not required for us, so we have to delete this. Okay. Now go to line command. Draw the horizontal from G. It meets the vertical from G dash there. Similarly, draw the horizontal from B, C. It meets here. Okay. We extend this line further like this. Okay. Now go to trim command. Trim the extra lines. Don't keep the extra lines. Always trim it out. Next, go to line command. From here, draw the line to this point, A point. Then trim this extra line. Then go to line command. From H, it passes through F. To draw the line, this is H and this is F. Similarly, from B passes through D. Here you'll get a B. Here you'll get D. Extend E up to here. Then go to trim command. Trim up the extra lines. Don't keep any extra lines always. Otherwise, you will not get the endpoint symbol. Now name it. This is A, right? Then this is B. This is C. Here it is D. Here it is E, F, G, H. Okay. These are the points. Now what I do, go to circle, click on the triangle adjacent to the circle command. You will get ellipse by we can go to ellipse by 3 points. We'll go to ellipse by 3 points. Click this, which is the first point of the ellipse. First point, second point, sorry. Now this should be the first point. This should be the second point. This should be the third point. Ellipse by, this is called ellipse by center, 3 points. Go to select command, select the ellipse, make it dark. That should appear dark. Okay, second position is over. Now we'll go to the third position. For third position, we have to, what is the question given? We have to rotate the ellipse such that it will A touches the XY line and the GC is parallel. Like that, you have to rotate. Okay, go to select command, select the ellipse, select this ellipse. Okay, then move with, switch on the copy, move from the point A, keep it A on the XY line, then come out and right click. Again, go to move command, click the triangle adjacent to the move command, then rotate. Copy is not required. I switched on the copy. This is the center of rotation and E is the point to rotate from. I rotate it at an angle of 90 degree. Okay. Rotation angle is 90 degree. Position angle is 270 degree. Minus 270 degree. Okay. So this is the final position. Now we will project to get the final view. Go to line command. Line thickness for projection should be 0.13. Draw the horizontal from E. Draw the horizontal from E. Draw the vertical from A. They are meeting at this point. Okay, trim off this extra line always. Remove this extra line. Then D to F, draw an horizontal line D to F. This is F you will get here, and D. This is D. So you will get up to here. Draw the horizontal from CG. This is end point. See, outermost end point. You can see the symbol adjacent to the cursor. Click there. Then similarly from this end, move the cursor on the ellipse. You'll get that outermost cursor is the outermost point of the ellipse. Click there and draw the line. Immediately trim off the extra line. Don't keep extra line. That will be confusing always. Trim off the extra lines. Okay. Now what is left out? All points we got right. We have to draw one more horizontal from B and H. B and H up to here. Okay. Now what we'll do again, go to ellipse by 3 points. Select the ellipse by 3 points. This is the first point. This is the second point. This is the, sorry, something mistake. This is the first point. This is the second point. First point, second point. Mistake. Okay. Ellipse by 3 points. First point, second point, and third point. That's all. Then go to line, select it, and make it 0.5 mm, and complete the naming. This should be C dash. This should be G dash. This is E dash. Naming, you must do it. B dash, and this is B dash. This is H dash. This is F dash. This is D dash. I think now it is over. Okay, this is the end of the problem. You have to use ellipse command to draw this. Okay, now stop.